Welcome. Welcome to International Self-Defense Demonstration Competition 2021. I am very happy to announcing it on the behalf of Sitorio Ippon Karate Do Akito International. Rules and regulations we have published already. There are some questions to be answered. We will figure it out. What we are going to provide? Sorry. See this one. This is code brooch for first and second place winner. Third and fourth place holders will get this. These are code brooches to decorate your chairs, like this one, as heroes, war hero, army officers. If your video hit most like, you will be awarded with this trophy. If your self-defense video attract more people to view, you will be awarded with this trophy. This is for most viewed video. If your academy students, your colleagues on the same academy will win more places. So we have a academy award. It will be awarded to the academy who has got more winners. There is always someone special beyond the rules, just attract attention. So in that case, we are going to provide special trophy for special categories. Of course, this time boys and girls, men and women category will be the separate. It means we are going to provide all trophies and brooches separately to the boy categories and to the girls categories. Rules, regulations and fees we have announced already. If you have any problem, please, please feel free to talk to me. We will figure it out. We will sort out the problems. One more issue is the courier charges. Of course, this is the expensive venture. So, winner have to bear the courier charges for their trophies, your brooches, or certificates, whatever, if they want to be posted. But of course, this is for the winners. And if someone feel any problem, financial or some other, of course, I am here to help you out. I will sponsor you. So nothing to worry about it. Now, what you have to do for this competition? You make the video. You start this video with your name, your academy's name, your instructor, your country, your age. You have to mention that for how many years or months you are practicing in that particular martial arts. Anything, karate, taekwondo, kung fu, boxing, krav maga, all martial artists are welcome in this competition, because whatever martial arts you do, motto is the same. Martial arts mean to be self-defense. So this is time that we are going to prove that what we are learning in dojo. So dear friends, I'm waiting for your videos. Your time will be start on 20th of this January. You can send your videos up to 10th of the February. We are going to declare the result on 15 February, and soon after I will release your trophies, your brooches, your certificates. I wish you all the best. Good luck. Nice to talk to you. Thank you.